Hey guys, how's it going? How to free up space on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play, download the AI cleaner so you can clean up some space. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue so you can know how to free up some space. Your device clutter free, you can go ahead and start now. Okay. And basically continue for free. Okay. And you're gonna be able to take a 1 week free trial in order to get their feature. So I'm gonna click not now if you want. If you want to take the pro version or take the 1 week trial, you can just do that on your own time. So you could go ahead right here and just click the smart clean and give allow access to your photo and contact and calendar, right? Share all contact, allow full access and start cleaning. Okay, and then basically you're gonna wait for a few moments, and now they're gonna analyze the photos, videos, contacts, and events, right? And you can go and start cleaning, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.